In this recording, we'll show you the new option of multi-tool in our pocket operation. If I were to go into our pocket operation, you see we have in our technology where it says pocket. If we click on the arrow, we also have now a new option called multi-tool. This will allow you within one operation to program more than one tool. For example, I'd like to mill out this pocket over here. So first I'll choose my geometry, being this face over here. And now when I go to tool, you'll note that I can add now a list of tools. If I were to select the first one, I'm going to choose my first tool over here. Now you can see I can predefine it with finish for the wall and finish for the floor. So if I go into my levels, you can see I have my levels set over there, step down at 8 millimeters, and my technology, I'll just have my wall set up at 0.3 as well as my floor set up. Now when I go back to tools, I can go and select another tool. So say I'm going to select this tool over here, and I want to use this tool just for finishing the walls. I'll accept that, and I'll say finish wall. Now if I go into my technology, you'll see that my finish wall is checked over here already. And if I want, I can also say only work on the wall. Going back to my tool, I can select another tool. And in this particular case, I'd like to work on the floor. So I'm going to use this end mill over here just for working on the floor. So I'll put it at floor finish. And in my levels, if I want, I can say just step down all the way to the bottom. In my technology field, you see that my floor is set at finish. Save and calculate. If we take a look at our simulation, you'll see that the first operation does all the roughing of that pocket. The second one finishes the walls, and the third one works on the floor.